Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Snapchat if it is not working on your phone. First, check your internet connection. Snapchat needs a stable internet connection to work properly. If you are using mobile data, turn it off and turn it on again. If you are on Wi-Fi, disconnect and reconnect to the network. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem is related to your connection. If the app still does not work, restart your phone. This helps clear temporary system issues that may affect Snapchat. After your phone turns back on, open Snapchat and test it again. Now make sure Snapchat is updated. Open the App Store or Play Store, search for Snapchat, and check if an update is available. Old versions of the app can stop working due to bugs or server changes. Install the update if you see one. If the issue continues, clear the Snapchat app cache. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, find Snapchat, open Storage, and tap Clear Cache. Do not tap Clear Data. On iPhone, this step is done by reinstalling the app. If nothing has worked so far, uninstall Snapchat from your phone. After uninstalling, restart your phone once again. Then install Snapchat fresh from the App Store or Play Store and log back into your account. After following these steps, Snapchat should start working normally again. Thanks for watching.